Yo, what's up guys? Thank you so much for tuning in again, and in today's episode we're gonna be discussing if it's too late to start skateboarding. But before we get into that, I'm here at the skate park and the weather is beautiful and I'm just gonna enjoy the day and enjoy the skate park. So thank you guys for tuning in and let's get it. Alright guys, is it too late to start skateboarding? And regardless of your age, whether you're 17 or 75, it doesn't matter. The best time to start skateboarding is right now. Right when you feel inspired by it. Right when you see people skate by and you think it's the coolest thing ever. Or maybe you've been watching videos and you see people do tricks and you just think that it looks like so much fun. That's the best time to get started, right then and right there. And try not to beat yourself up for not wanting to get into it earlier, because maybe it just wasn't right for you then. Maybe you didn't have friends who were into it at the time, or maybe you just didn't think much of it. But if you're thinking about it now, and if you feel inspired by it now, then that is the best time to get into it. Of course, if you're younger, it's going to be a whole lot easier for you to get good. You can throw your body around, treat it like a trash can, and you'll still be able to get up, no problem. But if you're a little bit on the older side, of course, you're going to have to stretch a lot more. You're going to have to keep up with your body, and that's just the way it is. So keep that in mind. But regardless of your age, it doesn't matter. Anybody can start skateboarding, and all you need to do is just get a skateboard and start riding on it. So yeah, the skate park kind of got filled with a bunch of kids, so I'm gonna go try and find something else to skate, and yeah, so let's get it. Oh, word? Really?
Yeah, it goes all the way on the right.
Oh, snaps. Sick. Thank you, dude. Hell yeah. Alright, so I hopped into this ditch and I helped some little kids get in here, and they showed me this cool spot. They said if I go all the way down this way, there's like a cool little pump spot to skate at. So shout outs to the little kids that helped me. They said that they watched my videos, and yeah, thank you. Where's the tunnel?
If you just keep going straight.
I see. Is it the other tunnel? The one that's dark?
Yeah.
What's down there? Do you guys know?
Just keep going. Yeah, we found a dead cat.
Why would you? Isn't it like dirty and stuff down there though?
Yeah. Oh, see the light? Yeah, I went almost a mile deep in it with my friend.
What the heck? Oh snap. Shout outs to the little kids that were showing me around this little ditch area and just showing me like some of the cool spots that are around here. Told them that I would feature them in my video, so if you guys are watching this, shout outs to you guys. And yeah, I'm gonna skate this ditch a little bit and see what I can do. There's not like much to skate, but I'm pretty sure I can have fun and think of something to do, so yeah, let's get it. You know what? I never found that pumping spot that kid was talking about. It's all good though. I know I didn't do anything super crazy, but I had a lot of fun, and it's really hard to skate a ditch because it's not really meant for skateboarding. There's a lot of rocks and pebbles and a lot of broken glass and obstacles to dodge out here, and also the ground is a lot more rough than a normal skate park. So if you guys are going out to skate a ditch or something like this, just be extra careful. Watch your surroundings, watch the ground. There's gonna be a lot of things on the ground, and just be extra careful because it's not a skate park and things could go wrong. But back to the topic, is it too late to start skateboarding? And the thing about skateboarding is that it keeps you young. You guys already know, skateboarding is exercise. When we're out here pushing on our skateboards, we're getting our heart rate up. It's physical, but not only that, it's also mental. When you're skateboarding, when you're trying to do a trick specifically, you can't think about the future, you can't think about the past. You have to be completely present. The only thing that you can really think about is the board under you and how you're gonna perform the trick. And even just the slightest bit of distraction will completely throw you off, and any skater will tell you that. So while you're skateboarding, just remember, not only is it gonna keep you physically young, but it's gonna keep you mentally young. You're going to have to discipline yourself and train and stay focused, not only on your physical training, but your mental training as well. So skateboarding is extremely good for you. And on top of all those things, it improves your balance, it improves your coordination, it keeps you physically strong, it keeps you mentally strong, and there's just so many benefits that come out of skateboarding. And I think that no matter what age you are, whether you're 50, whether you're 15, it doesn't matter. Everybody could benefit from these things, and you can only get them from certain things like skateboarding, or maybe like learning a new instrument, or things that take discipline, training, and time. It's not easy, but it's worth it, and anybody can learn it at any age. It just depends on how dedicated you are to it. I know for me, I'm super dedicated to skateboarding just because I love it so much and I just have fun, and that's all that I really want out of the end of every day. So yeah. So is it too late to start skateboarding? I don't know. I don't think so. At least not yet for me. Alright guys, is it too late to start skateboarding? And the last thing is, know exactly what you want to get out of skateboarding. If you're going for sponsorships, just know what you're going up against. There are 12-year-old kids from around the world who are incredibly good at skateboarding, who can do some of the most insane tricks that people who've been skating for years can't even do. Yeah, talk about discouraging. But it doesn't have to be about that. It doesn't have to be about going pro. It doesn't have to be about going to the Olympics. All it needs to be about is just having fun, riding your board, and enjoying the weather and enjoying the day. It doesn't have to be as serious as people make it seem. You don't have to be the best skateboarder ever. All you have to do is just have fun and enjoy riding the board. I think some people just take skateboarding way too seriously. And another thing about skateboarding is that it's extremely hard to make money off of it. So know exactly what you want to get out of skateboarding. If you're going to go for sponsorships, if you want to go pro, if you want to go to the Olympics, just know what you're going up against. You got Nyjah Huston, Yuto, and you got 12-year-old kids who are just insane. So just remember that. But if you just want to have fun, if you just want to go out and better yourself, better your mind, better your body, better your health and your joints, then absolutely anybody can start skateboarding. It doesn't matter what age. All you have to do is just get a board, go out and ride. So yeah. So is it too late to start skateboarding? Honestly, I don't know. I know for me personally, I started when I was about 11 or 12, but that doesn't mean you can't get started at the age of 24 or 35. I know that I'm gonna be skateboarding all the way up until I'm 102, or when I can't even skate anymore. And even then, you're gonna have a hard time ripping me off of a board. So it doesn't need to be as serious as people make it seem. You don't have to go to the Olympics. You don't have to be pro. All you have to do is just have fun skateboarding. So no matter what age you are, 13, 35, 103, it doesn't matter. Just go out and skate and enjoy. We only have one life, so enjoy the weather, enjoy the day, go outside, get some vitamin D, and just enjoy, because that's what life is really about. Don't take things so seriously, and yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you everybody so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I know that I had a lot of fun making it, so please don't forget to drop me a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one, so till next time, peace out.